Hi guys, my daughter wants me to have a look at these two things. They're drinks coolers in the style of Xboxes. Apparently that one works, although it's clearly had a problem overheating. And apparently this one doesn't work, although that looks like it's overheated as well at some time. They've got the cables. That's interesting, because that one's got the full warning instructions inside it, like, this cooler is not intended for continuous use. We recommend you turn the cooler off intermittently. Based on ambient temperatures surrounding your cooler, it will be likely that condensation will appear inside your cooler. This is normal and not a defect. We simply ask you to wipe the condensation with a dry cloth. Any frost or ice that appears inside your cooler, this will also be normal. Turn the cooler off for a couple of hours. Wipe away the frost/ice and commence normal use of the cooler. So it looks like, well, no, we're guessing, but it could just possibly be these have never been switched off and they've overheated. So this one's supposed to work, so I'll plug it in and have a look. And that one's supposed to not work, so I'll plug it in and have a look. I expect we'll end up taking them both apart. What else can we do? Don't want to shut now. There we go, shut. Just a little close up on the melted bit. Looks like the fan still turns, but it does look like it's overheated. 12-volt supply, on off, or AC supply, and it's AC power cables that we've got. The rest of this is just for looks. It doesn't actually do anything. Oh, and I think she said there's a USB port on it on the front, which does work. So you can plug a USB item into it. So yeah, we'll have a look. I mean, to be honest, I'm a little bit worried about the fact that that's clearly overheated and melted. Imported by UK Onic Limited. You focus on that. There we go. Xbox Series X replica desk fridge, thermoelectric cooler, 4.5 litre, made in China. Model 16894-UK, manufactured in 08/2023, so it's not that old. USB output, 5 volts, 2.1 amps, 12 volt supply, or 220, 240 AC supply. Made by UK Onic. Yeah, all right, well, yeah, we'll plug this one in first and just see what happens. So I'm a little bit suspicious about the way this one's actually already melted on top. I wonder if it's technically possible to force the 240 volts into there. Not easily, that's the 12 volt supply. So it'll go in there. Power on. Light comes on. Fan is blowing on the top there. Got a green LED there. Oh, press that button and that light comes on up there. Okay, makes no difference. That's still charging regardless. Did that button do anything? Oh, that brings the green light on the top. Can we see that if I press the button? Yeah. Oh, hang on. That one's turning the green light on and off, but the fan is still running. Fan is running regardless of whatever these lights are doing on the front. If I turn it off on the on-off switch on the back there, that stops the fan running. So, fan running. That button turns the green light on, and that button turns that light on. But has no effect on the USB. That's on anyway. Okay. Whether it's actually going to cool anything, I don't know. I guess I ought to leave that switched on. I'll get a thermometer. There's an easily readable thermometer. So at the moment that's saying 14 degrees because it's out here. Stick it in there. Put that down there out of the way. So fan is running. And all the lights are on. We'll have a look at the other one now then. So this one apparently didn't work. So plug that in, plug it in here. Okay. LED doesn't come on when we switch it on. Fan doesn't start blowing. Nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing down there either. All right. So we'll unplug that. And see if we can figure out how to get in. I am guessing we probably have to take the feet off. There's probably screws under there. Because there's no other visible screws. It looks like the top slides out. So I should think probably undo them and it probably slides out that way. Probably. Nope, no screw there. No screw there. screw there. And screw there. Okay, so we've got 2 screws. There's nothing visible in there. Okay, we'll undo those 2 screws. Just have a look in there. Drip tray. But no screws hidden. And obviously a couple of screws there and wires going through there. And there's a button there to censor when the door is closed or open. Oh, there's a bunch of screws there. Ah, that might be more like it. If I unscrew them, I wonder if that'll come out. Oh, need a bigger screwdriver. Suppose I could have gone on YouTube to see if somebody's already done one of these. No, that hasn't suddenly released it. Let's have a look at these. Nope, that hasn't suddenly released it. Right, I'll stop filming for a while I have a look round it. Right, I'm undoing the hinges, and behind there I can see a screw. Well, that hasn't suddenly released anything either. Surprised there wasn't screws under there. Alright, I'll stop filming again, have another little look round. Right, now I'm studying the melted one again, and I can see each of these corners. If we look down the side, can we put a light on? Yeah. There's a screw going down there, so you have to get those out somehow. And I don't think they come out, not easily. I think they're either glued in place or sealed one way or the other. There we go. There. Focus, please. There we go. Right, and that'll get down to the screws. Okay, we'll see if we can do the same thing on this one in focus. We need to get those out somehow. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.